हाउ आर यू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस। तो कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू इन द न्यू यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन स्टडी। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस द सिलेबस ऑफ यूपीएससी ऑप्शनल मैथमेटिक्स. Before this topic, I have already make a video that related to the exam pattern of UPSC. That how much type of exam will conducted by UPSC and how many papers conducted by UPSC, and what is the type of exam. And today I will discuss the only syllabus of optional mathematics. Optional mathematics contains paper 1 and paper 2. That means two paper will be held by UPSC when you will go to exam to give the UPSC exam. So paper 1 contains linear algebra, calculus, analytic geometry, ordinary differential equation, dynamics and statics, vector analysis, and such that paper 2 contains algebra, real analysis, complex analysis, linear programming, partial differential equations, numerical analysis and computer programming, and mechanics and fluid dynamics. So first of all we will discuss the brief syllabus of linear algebra and the another topics. So linear algebra contains vector space, linear dependency and independency, subspaces, bases, dimensions, linear transformations, rank and nullity, matrix of a linear transformation. All of these topics we have already studied in 11 plus 12 and another engineering degrees. So algebra of matrices, row and column reduction, echelon form, congruences and similarity, rank of a matrix, inverse of a matrix, solution of system of linear equations, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, characteristics, polynomial, Cayley-Hamilton theorem, symmetric, skew-symmetric, Hermitian, skew-Hermitian, orthogonal and unitary matrices and their eigenvalues. All of this syllabus you can see in the screen. So many questions relate in this topic. Another topic is calculus, real and numbers, functions of real variables, limits, continuity, differentiability, mean value theorem, Taylor's theorem with reminders, indeterminate forms, maxima and minima, asymptotes, curve tracing, functions of two or three variables, limits, continuity, partial derivatives, maxima and minima, Lagrange's method of multipliers, Jacobian, Raymond's definition of definite integrals, indefinite integrals, infinite and improper integrals, double and triple integrals, evaluation techniques only, area, surface and volumes, and analytic geometry contains Cartesian and polar coordinates in 3 dimensions, second degree equations in 3 variables, reduction to canonical form, straight line, shortest distance between two skew lines, plane, sphere, cone, cylinder, paraboloid, ellipsoid, hyperboloid of 1 and 2 sheets and their properties, such that ordinary differential equations contains formulation of differential equations, equations of first order and first degree, integrating factors, orthogonal trajectory, equation of first order but not of first degree, Clairaut's equation, singular solutions. And the another topic is second and higher order linear equations with constant coefficients, complementary functions, particular integral and general solution. All of these are contains ordinary differential equations, and second order linear equations with variable coefficient, Euler-Cauchy equation, determination of complete solution when one solution is known using method of variation of parameters, Laplace and inverse Laplace transforms and their properties, Laplace transforms of elementary functions, application to initial value problem for second order linear equations with constant coefficient. So ordinary differential equation topic contains very large much of syllabus. So and another is dynamics and statics, rectilinear motion, simple harmonic motion, motion in a plane, projectiles, constrained motion, work and energy, conservation of energy, Kepler's law, orbits under central force. So dynamics and statics is related to physics, but in UPSC it comes in the optional mathematics paper. So you have to study the physics also. And another is equilibrium of a system of particles, work and potential energy, friction, common catenary, principle of virtual work, stability of equilibrium of forces in 3 dimensions. And the vector analysis contains scalar and vector fields, differentiation of vector field of a scalar variable, gradient, divergence, and curl in Cartesian and cylindrical coordinates, higher order derivatives, vector identities, and vector equations, application to geometry, curves in space, curvature and torsion, Seurat Feinstein formula, Gauss and Stokes theorem, Green's identities. So all of these 6 topics contains the paper 1, and paper 1 contains the 250 marks, and question comes is 8 question, and only 5 question we have to solve in the exam paper, and question number 1 and 5 is compulsory to solve, and another 6 question we have to solve only 3 questions. So paper 2 also contains algebra, that contains groups, subgroups, cyclic groups, cosets, Lagrangian theorems, normal subgroups, quotient groups, homomorphism of groups, basic isomorphism theorems, permutation group, Cayley's theorem, and ring, subrings, and the ideal homomorphism, and such that you can see in the screen. And the real analysis also contains real number system as an order field with least upper boundary properties, sequence, limit of a sequence, and you can see in the screen, and continuity and uniform continuity of functions, and uniform convergence, continuity, differentiability, and integrability of sequences and series of functions, partial derivatives of functions of several variables, maxima and minima. And complex analysis contains analytic function, Cauchy-Riemann equation, Cauchy theorem, Cauchy integral formula, power series representation of analytic functions, Taylor series, singularities, Lorentz series, Cauchy's residue theorem, contour integration. Linear programming contains linear programming problems, basic solution, basic feasible solution, optimal solution, graphical method, and simplex method of solution, duality, transportation, and assignment problems. And partial differential equation is another topic that contains paper number 2 in UPSC optional mathematics. Family of surfaces in 3 dimensions, and formulation of partial differential equations, and such that you can see, and numerical analysis and computer programming. And the another is mechanics and fluid dynamics. It is related to physics, but we have to study in the mathematics paper, for mathematics paper. So UPSC know that the student works hard, so the paper comes very difficult. You have to study much hard than you realize. So prepare. All the best to all of you guys, all of you UPSC aspirants. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel.